Good morning, everyone. We just wanted to hop on real quick. We're going to do a little tutorial on how to make layettes. So without further ado, Barb is going to start.
Hi, Barb.
Hi. We're going to make a layette. So to start, we need to have a bag. So we get the bags right over here. We put everything on the table so that we saw from our list. So that because the things on the list are not in the order that you need to put them in the bag. So we'll start with the bag, and to start the bag, just to give it a little softer cushion, we put a blanket in the bottom. And then we start with the heavier things, like the diapers. So we have one package of 24 newborns and a big pack of size 1 until we run out. The next thing we will put in is going to be the shampoo and the diaper cream.
Now, do you put the shampoo in
And-
just like this, or?
No, we get a bag from over here and shampoo and diaper cream. And if we have lotion, you can put lotion in, but only lotion if we have it. We don't purchase that for the layout.
What happens if we don't have what's on the list?
If we don't have what's on the list, we'll put a note at the bottom. If it's shampoo or diaper cream, you put a note on top of the layette that so we can put one in when we buy it.
Okay.
So the next thing you want to put in would be the crib sheet, 1 crib sheet, a towel, and two washcloths that are. Then we have a sleeper, and if it's summertime, look for a larger one so that they will need it when it's wintry.
You know, I saw that it said stretch suit. What is a stretch suit?
A stretch suit is one that has feet.
Okay.
That's a gown. Where did we put the stretch suits? Stretch suits have feet. That one is not a stretch. These are not stretch suits, and they were in the stretch suit bin. These have feet, so that these are called stretch suits because they stretch with the child. If they don't have feet, they are an outfit. So we have 2 per size, 2 0 to 3, 2 3 to 6, and 2 6 to 9. So we can put those in on top. So you have 6 stretch suits.
Okay.
We have 2 bibs. And then we have onesies.
What is a onesie?
A onesie is one that has snaps. It's a little shirt. It can be long sleeve or short sleeve. The onesies are all in. They're not segregated by sex. They're all here, and you can get boys and girls from the same bin.
Or there's gender neutral as well.
Okay, so we have 6 onesies. We have 1 gown. A gown has the elastic at the bottom. We have baby bottles. We have 2 larger ones, and then we will put in 2. We are out right now of the 4-ounce bottles, but we will put a note on top that we need 4-ounce bottles. And then we have outfits. Well, we have 2, we put in 2 receiving blankets and 2 hats. A fleece blanket. And 2 pacifiers that we slide down the side. Then we have outfits for each sweater for the child. And if we don't have a sweater, make sure you look over here. And you can also, if we don't have them in our newborn things, you can look in the used and find something that will work that looks really good, because we have a lot of good things in the used clothing. We have 3 pairs of socks. And then outfits for each size. There's 0 to 3, which we already put in. And a 6 to 9 that we need to buy pants for because we don't have them. Again, I looked in the used clothing. We didn't have any there either, so we will be purchasing those and put a note that they need them.
So Barbara, are you saying that if you cannot find a size brand new,
Right.
you're welcome to look for something very gently
Yes.
used?
Yes.
Okay.
Then we have the, which one? This is
Is
the
that the Afghan?
car seat blanket. This is the Afghan, and we have a prayer shawl. Now, when you have everything complete, you put the mothers, the Afghan for the baby on top, and on top of that is the toy or the lovey to show that the layette is complete. Now, this one is needing of something, so I'm not going to put this on yet. I'm going to put a note on top that says we need to have 2 4-ounce baby bottles, and we need something for the 9 months to go with the sweater that we have. So that is how you make a layette, and when it's complete, we take it and put it in this room, and we add one of these that tells the places they can go and about blanket safety and just a congratulations. So that goes in the layette.
And just for you all to know, is we no longer are doing the individual thank you cards, both English and Spanish. Now every card has both English and Spanish on it. So it says congratulations in both English and Spanish. And then the inside of the card is in both English and Spanish. I hope this was helpful to everybody. If you have any questions at any time, feel free to ask myself or any of the volunteers that have been here a while. But I think the biggest takeaway was that we are able to use gently used if we have nothing else. All right. Thanks, guys.